Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your name on Facebook. If you are using Facebook and you want to change your name on your Facebook profile, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Facebook app here, and here you have to make sure that you have logged in with your account for which you want to change your name. So I have logged in. Here you just have to tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner in your iPhone. If you're using the Android, so you'll get the menu option here. You must have to select the menu option. And here just tap on the settings and privacy option, then select settings, and here just select account center, then tap on profiles, tap on your Facebook profile here, and you must have to tap on name. Here you have to enter your name or change your name which you want to replace your profile, and once you have changed your name, just tap on review changes. You have to keep in mind that once you have changed your name, you are unable to change the name up to 60 days. So simply tap on this review change option and your profile name will be changes. Or if you might get any issue like that, so you must have to change your name again. Just re-enter your name and then tap on review changes option again. And here you have to select your name based on your preference. If you want to select anyone from here, select that and then tap on the save changes option. So now you have done. Your name is successfully updated. Now if you have changed your name, you'll unable to change name up to 60 days. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.